want to start just by thanking all of you for being here as we sign hands-free legislation into law on a very significant day. I want to start by thanking the Department of Public Safety and the Department of Transportation for their hard work in advocating and educating on this bill. I want to thank the coalition that you brought together that's represented here today. And of course, the families who have experienced the tragedy of distracted drivers. I also want to thank the floor managers, Senator Loughran and Representative Meyer, as well as David Young. Senator Doctor, thank you for your work on this as well. I'm proud to say that this bill passed 47-1 in the Senate and 84-11 in the House. Those overwhelming margins have everything to do with the strong leadership. David Person, did I say your name? I want to make sure I did. Okay, I got sidetracked, so I want to make sure that I acknowledged you as well. 30 states across the country have passed hands-free legislation, and today Iowa becomes the 31st. And I'm grateful because this legislation will save lives. According to a recent study, a 10% reduction in distracted driving in Iowa will prevent over 1,200 crashes, 700 injuries, and 6 deaths, as well as over 50 million in economic damages. Some of our neighboring states have experienced those decreases after enacting hands-free legislation. Minnesota saw a 31% reduction in crashes in year 1 and a 25% in the second year. Likewise, Illinois saw a 22% reduction in crashes in year 1 and 6% in the second year. It's especially meaningful that we're gathered on this day, April 2nd. Exactly 2 years ago, Roland Taylor was killed by a distracted driver, and of the 9 minutes the driver was in the car, he spent 7 on his phone. Roland should be here today, and although we grieve his absence, I'm honored to sign the hands-free bill into law in his memory. And we do the same for every Iowan killed due to distracted driving. In addition to Roland's family, we're joined by several others who have also experienced this tragedy firsthand. I'd like to take a moment to recognize by name the loved ones they've lost. Roland Taylor, Christina Calora Pearson, Ellen Bangstrom, Pearson Franklin, Jennifer Dawn Bolsberga, Malachi and Alexander Todd, and Dave and Velma Casterson. In closing, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to their families for being here today and for their tireless advocacy. I can't imagine how hard it's been to tell and to retell your stories, but your courage will save lives. So on behalf of all the families across our great state, thank you.